Hello my friends, I hope you are doing very well. In this video I'm gonna show you a panoramic view of the terrace of the third floor, so you can see how it is at the beginning of the project. So let's have a look. I'm gonna turn very slowly. The goal is also to record how it is at the beginning, so we can see the progress. So basically there are some places like where we're gonna plant some berries in the middle, and all around we're adding some planters to grow some vegetables. And in the video description I put a link to a Google map where you can see the details of what we're gonna plant. So here we are. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon.